Hello everyone, welcome back on Nested Mango channel. And guys, today I'm sharing one issue which I am having on my one project. So due to that, I'm not able to launch my project, and I just want to share some update regarding the Nested Mango 2. So basically, it have been long time that I am continuously uploading the video. So I will try to upload, and mostly I was busy on the course. And good news is, like, whoever have joined the join button here, like who is the member of the channel, so they will also get my courses which is paid on the Udemy, they will get in the free. So always just check out and you will see that what are the things are paid. So whenever you are going here or on this course, so these courses are just freely available for my who has supported me, who have joined. And also if somebody want to join from the Udemy, so they can also join from Udemy, they will get the link in the description. Okay, so that's great. Hope I was sharing this thing so that my supporter, my join, my member know that what we are doing. And I will try to upload on YouTube also so many stuff, so many new things. So stay tuned. And what I am having issue, so as you know that I am working on the India Metaverse, and good news is just we have got approved from Meta, so we will be able to launch. But I'm having one issue. Due to that, I'm just not making it public, so I'm just going to resolve this one. And I'm having one issue with the Ready Player Me avatar. I'm sharing, if anybody is knowing anything, so please let me know. And you know that we are the developers, so anyone can face the problem. So currently I have used Ready Player Me avatar, and here you can see currently we are using the Unity 6, and this is the version. And whenever I'm going closer, so here you can see it is currently prefab, and whenever I'm going closer, so it is getting black. I don't know, there is a incompatibility issue with the Ready Player Me and Unity 6, but I'm having issue, this kind of issue. Okay, and whenever I will see this avatar from a distance, so it will be look better. And same thing is happening, like if anything I have keep, and I think this is also from Ready Player Me. So I have used the Conv AI. You can see from distance it is okay, but whenever I am going closer, so it is just creating the problem. And in the lighting we have not just do anything, like we have just taken the lights which is I have baked, and in cases if I am doing using the real time, so it will be just reduced but not gone. Like whenever I am going to use real time light, let me show you. Basically, if anybody know that about the lighting, so I have used the bake lighting as well as I have used the adaptive pro volume. Basically it helps us to generate the dynamic lighting, but it is not helping too. And whenever I'm using the real time, it is just reducing, but due to this we are facing the FPS issue. So I'm just trying to figure out how I can resolve this. So let me take the direction light, and here you can see issue is not gone 100%, but yeah, it is better. I know this is due to the lighting, but I think adaptive pro balloons is not helping on this avatar. I mean to say that on this material, because I think shader in this is a different. Okay, so if anybody didn't know anything, please let me know in the comment box. If you don't know, so I think we have to see any solution, and might be we get the new SDK from the Ready Player Me which works with all Unity version. Okay, so if anyone want any specific tutorial or any course, please let me know. And if you have any work for me like development 3D, so I can also work for you, because currently I'm just doing my own project and working with some contract work. So see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.